Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation at the airport. This conversation will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and listening. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
Where are you going today?
I am going to the airport.
Really? Where are you flying?
I am flying to Singapore.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, I feel excited and a little nervous.
Don't worry. Airports are easy when you know what to do.
I hope so.
Let's practice airport English together.
That's a great idea.
First, when you arrive at the airport, what do you do?
I think I check in.
That's correct.
What does check-in mean?
Check-in means giving your ticket and getting your boarding pass.
Oh, I see.
Let's imagine we are at the airport.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello. Yes, I want to check in.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here's my passport.
Thank you. That was very good.
Thank you.
You spoke clearly. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase here.
Okay,
Your suitcase is not too heavy.
that's good.
Always check your luggage weight.
Yes, heavy luggage can be a problem.
That's true. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate number is gate 5.
Gate 5. Okay.
Always check your gate number.
Yes, gate numbers are important.
Very important.
What happens if I go to the wrong gate?
You might miss your flight.
Oh no, that sounds scary.
Don't worry, just check carefully.
Okay, I will.
After check-in, what do you do next?
I go to security.
Yes, security check.
Security sounds serious.
Yes, but it's easy.
What do I do at security?
You put your bag on the belt.
Okay,
Then you walk through the scanner.
that sounds simple.
Yes, very simple.
I feel more confident now.
Now we are at the security check.
Okay, what do I do here?
First, put your bag on the belt.
Like this?
Yes, that's correct.
Do I need to take anything out of my bag?
Yes, take out your laptop and phone.
Oh, okay.
Also, remove metal items.
Like my keys?
Yes, and your belt if needed.
That sounds serious.
Don't worry, it's normal.
Okay, I feel better now.
Please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
That was easy.
See? Nothing to worry about.
Yes, it was very simple.
Now let's find your gate.
How do I find my gate?
Look at your boarding pass.
It says Gate 5.
Good. Where is gate 5?
Let's check the airport signs. Oh, I see the sign.
What does it say?
It says Gate 1 to Gate 10 this way.
Great. Let's walk that way.
Okay, let's go.
Walking in the airport is interesting.
Yes, there are many shops.
Airports have many stores.
I see food shops too.
Yes, people like to eat while waiting.
That makes sense.
Do you want to buy something?
Maybe later.
Okay.
Look, I see Gate 5.
Great job.
We found it.
Yes, always check your gate early.
That is good advice.
Thank you. Now we wait for boarding.
Waiting again.
Yes, airports have a lot of waiting.
What can I do while waiting?
You can sit and relax.
That sounds good.
You can also read a book.
I like reading.
Or you can check your phone.
I always check my phone.
I know that.
Do people eat while waiting?
Yes, many people eat snacks.
Snacks sound good.
Airports sell many snacks.
I might buy a snack.
Just don't miss your flight.
I will not.
That's good. Look, Paul, I hear an announcement.
What does it say?
It says boarding will begin soon.
Boarding means getting on the plane, right?
Yes, that's correct.
I feel excited now.
That's normal before a flight.
What should I do when boarding starts?
First, stand in line.
Okay.
Keep your boarding pass ready.
Like this?
Yes, hold it in your hand. Airport staff. Boarding has started. Please show your boarding pass.
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was easy.
Yes, it was simple.
Now we walk to the airplane.
Wow, the airplane looks big.
Yes, airplanes are very large.
I feel excited.
That's a good feeling.
This is my first flight.
Really?
Yes, my first time.
Don't worry, flying is safe.
That makes me feel better.
Flight attendant. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Your seat is 12A.
Seat 12A. Okay,
Let's find your seat.
I see the numbers.
Look above the seats.
Yes, I see 10, 11, 12.
There it is.
Seat 12A, that's mine.
Great job. Where do I put my bag?
Put your bag in the overhead bin.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Now I sit down.
Yes, sit and relax.
This seat is comfortable.
That's good.
Flight attendant. Please fasten your seatbelt.
What does fasten mean?
It means to close your seatbelt.
Oh, like this?
Yes, click it together.
Okay, done.
Very good.
I feel ready now.
That's great. I feel a little nervous.
That's normal for first-time flyers.
What should I do?
Just relax and breathe slowly.
Okay, I will relax. Soon, the plane will take off.
Take off means flying into the sky, right?
Yes, exactly.
Wow, I feel excited again.
That's the spirit. That was a great airport experience.
Yes, airport English is very useful.
I agree.
Many people travel by airplane.
That's true.
Knowing airport English helps a lot.
Yes, it makes travel easier.
I will practice airport English again.
That's a great idea.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this English listening practice at the airport. Remember, practice your English every day, little by little. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.